So now we are going to write a program to illustrate the concept of structures. Okay, so now first of all let us create a structure. So it begins with the keyword struct. Let's name it dist. Dist contains two members. One is integer member, another is float member. Okay, so int feet and let's use double inches. Okay, so these are the two members. This is the declaration of the structure. Inside main we will first create variables of dist. Let's create three variables d1, d2 and d3. Okay, let the values of d1 be entered by the user. Okay, so enter the value in feet. This is the prompt. The user will enter some value. How to store a value in a structure? Using the structure name, then dot operator and the member name. Okay, so d1 dot, we will store it in variable feet. Okay, then next enter the value in inches. So user will again enter some value. That value we will store in d1 dot inches. Okay, so now we have the value of feet and inches for variable d1. Let's initialize d2 equal to some value. Suppose 6 feet and 11.25 inches. Okay, then d3 will be equal to d1 plus d2. But because d1, d2, d3 they contain two members, so we have to perform the addition accordingly. Okay, so what we can do here, first we add the inches. d3 dot inches equal to d1 dot inches plus d2 dot inches. Okay, so what will happen here, if the user is here we have the value of inches equal to 11.25. okay, so 11.25, and suppose the user has entered the value of d1 dot inches. Suppose it is equal to 5.5. okay, so what will happen, 5.5 plus 11.25 equal to I think 0.75, 16.75. It will be equal to 16.75. But we know that the values of inches vary between 0 to 12. Okay, so we have to convert into a value, a proper value between 0 to 12. Okay, so what we can do then, let's initialize d3 dot feet equal to 0 initially. Okay, then while d3 dot inches is greater than or equal to 12.0, because the value ranges from 0 to 11. If it is 12, then it becomes 1 feet. Okay, so if the value is 12 or greater than 12, what we can do then, we will increase the value of field. So d3 dot feet plus plus, and because we have added one feet, then d3 we can decrease d3 dot inches by 12 minus equal to 12.0. Are you getting this? So what are we doing? Let's repeat again. If the value of d1 dot inches plus d2 dot inches is in the range 0 to 11, then it is fine. But if it exceeds this value, for example 11.25 plus 5.5 is equal to 16.5. So what we can do then? We add one feet, so this will become 1 feet and how many inches? 16.75 minus 12, it will become 4.75 inches. Okay, so we are doing the same thing here. So if the value of inches is greater than equal to 12.0, then we increase the feet and we decrease the inches by 12. Okay, so this will keep on going like this. Okay, and at the end we will get the correct number of inches. Okay, and also we need to add the feet values. Okay, we have dealt with inches. Up to this we have dealt with inches. We have brought inches in the range 0 to 11, and any extra inches have been converted into feet. Okay, now we need to deal with the feet member. Okay, so feet can be d3 dot feet plus equal to d1 dot feet plus d2 dot feet. Okay, so in this way we can add the distances d1 and d2. Okay, now we are going to display the values. See out d1 dot inches is equal to d1 dot inches, then d1 dot feet is equal to d1 dot feet and line. Let's copy this. Okay, then we are displaying d2 dot inches, d3 dot inches, d2 dot inches, d3 dot inches, d2 dot feet, d3 dot feet, d2 dot feet, d3 dot feet, and at the end return 0. Okay, so let's delete this comment. Now we are good to go. Let's run it. Okay, I need to build it again. There is a problem. Errors expected semicolon before CIN. Okay, there. Invalid operands of type double and const char. Sorry, we do not need to put a comma here. We have to put this extraction operator. Okay. Enter value in feet. Let's enter the same value. 6 feet. Enter the value in inches. 11.25. Okay. So d1 dot inches is 11.25 and feet is 6. Okay. And same is d2. Okay. So 11.25 plus 11.25 will result in 22.5. Okay, 22.5 inches. But when we try to bring this in the range between 0 to 11, then we will subtract how many? 12 inches. Okay, so 22.5 minus 12 is equal to 10.5, and we add 1 feet. So d3 dot feet will be equal to 1, and then we add d1 dot feet plus d2 dot feet here. Okay, so 1 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 13. Okay, so in this way this program is using the structures to add the distances which are given in feet and inches, right?